Do you want to be a great leader? Moreover, do you want to be the person who attracts the most amazing talent in the world? Hi, I am Anshul Bajaj, and in this video of Dhande Ki Baat, I'm gonna share with you something that can shift something in you deeply. ये एक ऐसी सुपर पावर है जिसके आपका काम करने का तरीका, आपका पूरा नजरिया बदल सकता है, और जब नजरिया बदलता है तो नजारा भी बदल जाता है मेरे दोस्तों. So watch this video till the end and let's dive into it. So do you remember जब कोविड हुआ था और सब कुछ लॉकडाउन हो गया था और जो पूरी रेस्टोरेंट इंडस्ट्री है, सब रेस्टोरेंट शट थे, हम बैठ के खा नहीं सकते थे. So the first time when all the restaurant opened, my friend and I went to grab a hot डोसा एंड एज अ ब्रेकफास्ट मील. और हम लोग जयपुर में एक रेस्टोरेंट है, वहां पर साउथ इंडियन गरम गरम बढ़िया खाने गए. सो सबसे पहले हुआ क्या कि जब हम गए, पहले तो 15-20 मिनट की वेटिंग थी, एकदम फुल भरा हुआ था. एंड व्हेन वी फाइनली गॉट आवर सीट, जो सर्वर था वो बहुत देर तक हमारा मेन्यू नहीं लाया. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट, जब हमने फाइनली डोसा ऑर्डर किए तो वो जो डोसा आया वो बहुत सॉगी आया. एंड इफ यू आर एनीवन लाइक मी, who I really like my dosas as crispy, and I got really like irritated कि यार क्या हो रहा है, मतलब इतना पैसा भी दे रहे हैं, पहले इतनी देर खड़े रहे, फिर ये ऑर्डर नहीं लाया, ऑर्डर लेट लाया, और जब ऑर्डर फाइनली लेके आया है तो ये सॉगी आया है. So I got really furious, and on top of that, I really like to eat a lot of chutney with my dosa, and that guy was not serving the chutney as well, and it got to a point that I was about to shout on him, but then something in me shifted, something held me back, and पता नहीं कहाँ से, maybe because of meditation या कहाँ से ये thought मेरे दिमाग में आया कि इस बंदे के माइंड में अभी क्या चल रहा होगा. कोविड हैज जस्ट एंडेड, मे बी दिस गाय वाज जॉबलेस फॉर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम, मे बी ही इज गोइंग थ्रू अ फाइनेंशियल हार्डशिप, मे बी उसकी फैमिली में कुछ इशू हो, ही हैज टू सर्व दिस मेनी पीपल, दिस पुअर फेलो, है ना. And he has to do this all amid the risk of COVID and everything. And I stopped myself, and before I left, I even tipped that guy. What I want to tell you is that we all are born with a superpower, and that, my friend, is compassion. Compassion जो है वो sympathy या empathy से अलग है. Sympathy का क्या मतलब होता है कि I'm sorry this happened to you. Empathy का क्या मतलब होता है, hey, I'm sorry, I feel for you, I feel your pain. But compassion is empathy plus action. Compassion means that I feel this and I'm gonna do something about this. And I want to tell you that as business leaders, बहुत बार जब हम हमारी टीम के साथ काम कर रहे होते हैं, वेंडर्स के साथ काम कर रहे होते हैं, कस्टमर्स के साथ काम कर रहे होते हैं, सब लोग अपनी अपनी लाइफ में कुछ सिचुएशन के साथ चल रहे होते हैं. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स we just get furious very quickly, we just get angry very quickly, saying, hey, अरे तूने ये नहीं किया, ये काम गलत क्यों किया, ये ऐसा क्यों किया, ये डिलीवरी क्यों लेट कर दी. And at that point, I want you to just take a pause and hold yourself back and maybe think about कि क्या ये जो मेरा टीम मेंबर है, क्या ये हमेशा ही गलती करता है. And if not, no, maybe in this thing he had something going on in his mind, and that's why he didn't do it. Don't quickly jump your gun. Don't quickly go into a mode where you're just firing that guy. And a lot of times I see लोगों का business में ये few shot होना, and because of that they lose customers, because of that they lose good vendors, because of that they lose good team members. So I was listening to Anand Mahindra and in a podcast, and he said that in his life running such a billion-dollar empire across the globe, he's actually got angry only twice, only 2 times. Imagine such a guy. And this is what great leaders are made of. This is there where you hear stories of Ratan Tata ji and Anand Mahindra ji and people who've really created those businesses. And as a leader, हमारा job क्या है? Just think about it. Our job is to become that organization. It is to become that company where people actually want to work with, where we naturally attract talent. Because अगर सही लोग जुड़ गए तो धंधा तो अपने आप बढ़ ही जाएगा ना, व्यापार तो बढ़ेगा ही. It is about connecting, building the right team. Yes or yes, my friend. सो बहुत बार मैं लोगों को देखता हूँ ना, बहुत पूजा करके आ रहे हैं, बहुत भक्ति करके आ रहे हैं, कई बार मेडिटेशन करके आ रहे हैं, बट जब धंधे पे आते हैं दे जस्ट लूज आउट एवरीथिंग। वो सबको शायद घर छोड़ के आते हैं। एंड आई वांट टू कोट भगवद गीता हियर। भगवद गीता सेज समथिंग व्हिच इज योगा कर्मासु कौशल्यम. What that means is that the real yoga is in your actions. The real practice of yoga is in your actions. So if you are doing your prayers, if you are doing your meditation, सब कुछ आप कर रहे हो, but आप अपने action में उस compassion को नहीं लेके आ रहे, you know, it hurts sometimes to see that sometimes we don't even respect the other people as if he is also a fellow human. And this is like, I don't even know what to say. Imagine उस दिन वो साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में भगवान श्री राम भी हमारे साथ होते, तो आपको क्या लगता? वो उस आदमी पे बहुत गुस्सा करते, चीखते चिल्लाते, या फिर वो उसको प्यार देते, ब्लेसिंग देते? एंड दिस इज अ वे ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग. और बहुत बार जब मैं लोगों से बात करता हूँ तो लोग बोलते हैं, अरे मैं उसके लिए कंपैशनेट क्यों हूँ? ही इज गेटिंग पेड, ही इज गेटिंग हिज सैलरी, व्हाटएवर. द कंपैशन, माय फ्रेंड, इज नॉट फॉर एनीवन एल्स. It's for you. It's for you. There are so many studies that has been happening all around. When you become compassionate within you, your health parameters change, your mind structure start changing. You start looking at a different reality of world. You start attracting the right people. You start attracting opportunities. बिकॉज जो आदमी ऑलरेडी वैसा है उसको वैसे ही लोग अट्रैक्ट करेंगे. अगर आपका इनहेरेंटली कोर कंपैशन वाला है, आपको सामने से भी वैसे ही कस्टमर मिलेंगे जो आपको समझेंगे. जब आप गलती करोगे वो आपको टाइम देंगे, वो आपको प्यार देंगे, वो आपको स्पेस देंगे. And one thing that I did after I left that restaurant was I tipped that guy, and my friend got really furious कि यार तूने ये क्यों किया? And I told him that we don't want to be tight-fisted for money. Tipping is not about the other person. It is about us. It is about who we are. And I am not making this video on compassion, telling you that we have to tip. But I want to tell you that when you start giving, you start receiving more. Don't be tight-fisted with money. Operate from a mindset of abundance. Operate from a mindset where things are flowing naturally for you. And if you start practicing this, just do this with me. For a minute, think about someone you really love. Like someone you really love, maybe your partner or your parents or your brother, sister or your child, and just feel that emotion. How does that feel for you? And now imagine living your everyday with this feeling, with this blissfulness. In the end, I want to tell you that start practicing compassion in small things. Don't wait कि अरे यार इसके साथ कुछ होगा तब करूंगा. Start operating with mindset. You know what can also help you in doing that is a visual aid. Maybe start wearing a locket or a bracelet that reminds you to be more compassionate. And I want to give you another perspective towards the end. जब आपको ऐसा लगे, start thinking, what if my God, whoever God you believe in, would do in this? What would my mentor then do in this situation? What would this person, maybe your father or your mother, would do in this situation? Start operating from this and see how the magic turns in your life. See opportunities opening up for you, you attracting the right people, and your life completely changing. Thank you.